Alright, so we're going to draw this here selfie stick. It's got a whole bunch of things going on with it. You can rotate, extend in and out. Spot where the phone goes here. So it's a lot of parts in this assembly. It swivels. So this is a big project. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different pieces. And we're gonna go through one by one. So we're gonna start with the shoe top. And this will be a good introduction into Fusion 360. So, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a new project, and right away I'm just gonna save it as selfie stick. And I'm going to put that in my IED folder. Okay, so it is saved there, selfie stick, and I always make new components for every single thing so I can assemble them, and I name them as I go. So the first piece is going to be shoe top. Alrighty, so I am going to start making the shoe top now. Okay, so the shoe top, if we are to look at this, is going to start out as a square. So if I'm looking at this, it's going to start as a square on the front view. So I went to sketch and made front view, and I'm going to do a square that is 1/2 inch by 1 inch. So starting with 1/2 inch by 1 inch, the shoe top, that's a square. So just in case you missed it or you can't hear me talking, we are at 1 inch by 1/2 inch. So 1 inch by 1/2 inch. Okay, we're going to hit finish sketch with that, and we are then going to extrude this shape to be 0.25. So I'm going to go to extrude, and I'm going to extrude it out to be 0.25. So there we go. After I do this, I'm going to make another sketch on the front view, and I'm going to draw a circle straight down the center. So as you could see, I was able to grab this point and this point to get me that center point, and then the circle on here is going to be 0.3 in diameter. And you know, if you want to, you can dimension it that it's 0.25 from the top edge. So just to make sure, and that it is 0.5 from the right edge. So in case you are doubting the computer's ability to find the middle, we can set it to the middle. I'm going to finish sketch, and after I finish this sketch, we're just going to extrude cut that all the way through. So I like to look at my sketches like this, and I'm going to go to extrude, and I'm going to cut, and I'm going to cut it all the way through so we can see through to the other side. And then finally we are going to add a fillet on this. So we're going to go to fillet, and I am going to select all 4 of the edges I'd like to fillet, and I'm going to fillet these at 0.125, 1/8 of an inch. And this is the shoe top. So that is the first part you will have to do.